friends, just a short video here to kind of describe our writing activity for today. You can see that Mrs. Hagen divided her plate into quadrants, or into 4 different areas, because I want you to actually draw 4 different types of food that might be at your favorite meal. Try to be creative when you're drawing them so that I might even be able to tell what they are before you color them, because they're such a good drawing. So draw in pencil and then color your food, and then write about where you had that meal. A couple things I'm not going to write down on my lines, but I want you to use sentences and write about when you had that meal. You can even describe the things that are on the plate. It would be awesome if you could try to 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say if we can try to fill up 5 lines with our sentences, okay? I don't think that should be too hard for my good 3rd grade writers. Then color and submit to me when you take your picture. Thanks, guys.